Hi guys! We are continuing our house construction and we are going to do the framing. In this video, we are going to start making the walls. I enjoyed making the walls and we think that they are easy to do because there's not a lot of tools needed and the whole family helped out and had fun. Hope you enjoy the video. This is what we had done from the last video on the upstairs. So this is when we made the subfloor, and in this video we are making the walls. So we're going to start making the biggest wall. It is 40 feet long, and we've started laying the pieces of wood out for it. And don't be surprised, but we're making the wall lying down, and at the end of the video you guys will see how we get the walls up. We are attaching the studs to other pieces of wood using the nail gun. The studs are the pieces of wood in between. They are 9 feet long and they're 2 by 6s. And they are 9 feet because that's how big our walls are going to be. And there's 2 feet space in between all of the studs. Here we've made the window. So there's going to be another window in the wall over here. And we've started putting the sheeting on. The sheeting is a OSB piece of wood, and we are using a stapler to attach it to the wall. Then we're using a rotor to cut it so it's really straight and cut out the area where the window is. So the wall is being put together right now, and work's going pretty fast. The stapler is similar to the nail gun because it also uses the air compressor to work. So right now we're putting on the OSB. Where my dad is standing, that's where the window is going to be. So after, he's going to go around with the rotor and make it look more like a window. And now everyone is going to have a turn with the stapler. First, my mom is going to go, then Dennis, then Luba, and then me. the stapler, we attached a couple of pieces of OSB. So my dad is using the router to cut the area for the window out, and we're gonna finish making the wall. So we finished making the big wall, and we made another small one. We're going to lift the small one up first so we can practice on it, and then it would be easier to lift the big one up. To lift it up, we are using a wall jack, and for the wall jack, we're putting a 2x4 piece of wood in it, and the jack just keeps pushing the wall up the piece of wood, and eventually the wall will stand up straight. We have almost gotten the wall up. We are going to go get a ladder, and we have made stoppers so that the wall, when we push it up, it doesn't just slide off the second floor, and it will actually go up. So if you are going to do this, put stoppers. And yeah, we're also adding attaching another piece of wood so that my mom and Luba would hold the wall, so if it starts tipping the other way, they would just pull it back and run out of the way so it wouldn't fall all the way down to the first floor, and we wouldn't have to rebuild it. So yeah. The wall is almost up, and we are attaching another piece of wood so that we can level the wall out so that it would stay straight, and it's also going to be there once we go home for the day, so the wall doesn't fall without us. So my dad is giving the wall a little push so it just stand up straight, and we can take the wall jack off the wall and level the wall out. Now we are just making sure that the wall is really straight, and thank you for watching this video to the end. In the next video, we are going to be putting up the other walls, so don't miss that. And don't forget to like and subscribe.